All right, now we got a 99 Suburban. Long boy. Got the rear AC. If I blocked off the rear and did the block off kit, the front would hold pressure, hold a vacuum, but the rear would not. So we were, I couldn't find a leak on the lines underneath. So it was leaking somewhere, just couldn't find it. Couldn't find it in the evaporator core back there or anything. It might have been underneath the insulation and the metal lines that go down the frame. So this company, what's this company? Auto Cooling Solutions. They sell a hose kit. Here's the back end. I haven't finished weaving them up through, but basically they're just heavy duty, high pressure, high temperature hoses, made in USA, extremely high quality. And just basically pull the inner fender loose and round them up underneath. See if I can see in there. Yeah, those two silver ones are the original factory metal lines, aluminum. And then I ran the two up underneath and into here. These are the old ones. Just leave them unhooked. I guess I could cap them if I wanted to, but I don't care because they're not going to get used. And then I hooked the new lines up here and here. Whew. Humid as hell out here. But the nice thing is they come coiled up in this box. It costs about 15 or 20 bucks to ship. Whereas if you buy the factory replacement, OEM replacement, they're the aluminum lines. And not only do they have to cut them in order to ship them, even with them cut, they're so large, they cost $100 or more to ship. And then you have to splice them back together, and then there's another potential for a leak. This is all one piece, and I'll show you what else. Let me get back under here. With the running boards, these lines, there's the new ones, they just go right underneath the running board brackets. They don't have to be zip tied or anything, just neat as you please. So if you're dealing with this with an old Suburban, highly, or something similar with the rear AC zone, highly recommend these guys. I don't expect this to not work perfectly fine. I've got a brand new evaporator. I got the kit with the hoses in the evaporator. So we're going to be firing it up shortly. Checking for vacuum, or checking to see if it holds a vacuum. I fully expect it will. Cheers.